Hello, welcome to the 512 types test. This is a scientifically accurate personality test based on the objective personality system. Essentially, it's based on the same work as Carl Jung that created Myersbriggs and many of the other most popular frameworks in the world, including 16personalities.com. This test goes to 512 types that have been discovered so far, and this test is going to give you information to help you decipher your type to the closest 32. So it's a level deeper than the 16 personalities, and there's also a paid tier that also goes to release full results. Essentially, a lot of us know about the 16 personality system, but it's out of date because that was created with just theory crafting. It's based on people's self-reported opinions, made up frameworks, and a lot of just guessing. Essentially, the objective personality system, the main researchers have been able to isolate things that are observably trackable across sample sizes of thousands of people by multiple trained experts independently being able to cross-reference and get the same guesses out of about 512 personality types so far with 90 to 95% accuracy. This personality test, so far as we know, is the only existing scientifically developed test ever in existence. And the way it was built was that we have people who have been objectively typed by the main researchers, and we compare their test results to the objective type assigned by the researchers. So now it's been 10 months, hundreds of hours, 4 generations of the test. And by being able to change the questions, how they're asked, what the answers are, and be able to look for high correlations between things that are objectively trackable about somebody's psychology with their self-reporting, we finally deliver a test that's able to 85% accurately track what it is about your psychology according to 14 different dimensions. There's basically 9 dimensions that are important, and then there's cross checks that check for accuracy that are kind of related to those things. Actually, the test is always improving. So feel free to bookmark this, and you can always check back and your results over time as the data increases and we improve analysis, and there's different kinds of things we can run as the sample size gets bigger. We'll be improving, so be sure to bookmark this page. My own background, my name is John UK. I've been in this space for 16 years, especially as one of the earliest people in the objective personality community. I run a community called GameTree. It's the most popular app for gamers to find friends, and it uses a personality test, a values test, a gamer DNA test, and it's the top ranked thing for gamers to coordinate finding people to play with, and there's about 500,000 people in that right now. The test was also developed with Benjamin Metastatic and also Bogdana Sidorenko. So we've been developing this for a long time, and you're one of the first people experiencing this test. If you do the paid results version, you will have access to that for life of your results, and also the improvements over time that the tests are made. You can always just check back later. So in order to get your results, there'll be a linked sheet at the end that you can look at, and that'll also link to another sheet that basically interprets for you in a basic way what each coin that you're measured against, whether you're A or B, means. And over time, that'll also be getting improved with deeper analyses and such. So good luck on the test, and hope you learn something new about yourself that is able to improve your life in some way, whether it's your personal growth, your career, your relationships, or even just your peace of mind. This stuff is so important because at the end of the day, it's really your lens of the world that you're learning about. We're all so subjective in how we perceive everything. And by having some objectivity, ergo the objective personality system, allows you to actually see reality. And the first step to not messing everything up is actually to see the map clearly, to know the information, to know yourself and what your biases are. With this, myself, I've had the biggest boom in personal growth ever when I was assigned my actual personality type based on the researchers cross-examining me, and I'm hoping that you'll get some similar results by being able to take this test. Good luck.